Hello, and welcome to this video. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to enable additional encryption in the Google Meet or OpenMeet app. Whether you're focused on privacy or simply want more control over your online meetings, this setting will help you secure your video calls further. First, open Meet app on your device. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the list of options, select Settings. After that, tap on General. Finally, find the option labeled Use Additional Encryption and toggle the switch to turn it on. Finally, click Got It to confirm and activate the setting. Once activated, your video meetings will now have an extra layer of protection, ensuring your communication stays more secure and private. That's it. You've now added an extra layer of encryption to your meetings. For more tips on privacy and security, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your questions in the comments.